Welcome to another Tech Tuesday video. Tech Tuesdays are brought to you by NMDELT, a professional learning project from Propel. This Tech Tuesday video is the third installment in our Google Sheets series and the first installment in Sheets for Administrators. In today's video, we will review how you can use Sheets with Google Forms to store and organize student information as part of your program recruiting efforts. First, we'll review how to link a Google form to a Google Sheet. If you use a Google form to take in and store student information, it's simple to make this into a Google Sheet. Open your form and go to the Responses tab. In the Responses tab, click Link to Sheets. You can choose to create a new spreadsheet or link to an existing one. Once you create your new sheet, you can view all of the responses to your form in a spreadsheet format. This allows you to view your data in different ways. The sorting and filtering tools in Google Sheets help to review your data quickly and efficiently. You can use Sort to organize the sheet by any of the attributes you included in your form. For example, on this sheet, I can sort students alphabetically by their last name or first name. In our program, we also collect information on whether a student is returning, morning or evening, or underage. Then, we can sort students by each of these attributes to quickly find a student group we're looking for. Filters are another way that you can isolate a given student group to quickly review data. For example, I can hover at the top of the column for program to bring up my column menu and select HSE from the list. This will hide all of the ESL students so that I'm only looking at my HSE group in case I need to check test scores or make phone calls for registration. I can then sort within my filtered list to quickly see which students are returning or which students might be underage. As you collect more student responses, you may need to find better ways to organize and archive your information. You can unlink and relink forms to keep your form clean and create tabs to organize information within your sheet. To do this, simply navigate to the Responses tab on your form and then go to the three dots. Unlink the sheet that you've set for this form. Once you've done that, you can clean up your sheet by deleting all the responses. Previous responses will be saved in their original sheet destination. To relink your form, go to Link to Sheets and select Existing Spreadsheet. Now you can select your original responses sheet and it will create a new tab within this sheet for responses in the future. I like to label the tabs down at the bottom by date so that I can remember when a certain group of responses came in through my form. This allows me to bank student groups by date. Usually for us, this is our registration date.